Hi, I just crossed my 50 years milestone on 6th April 2021. It so happened for the last 3 years, every 6th April, that's my birthday, paved a way for me to take up a wonderful decision. 2019 birthday paved the way for Bharat Darshan. 2020 birthday paved the way for Vanaprastham. And 2021 birthday paved for yet another wonderful thing in life. It was on March 31st. I was thinking what I can do for my birthday. A small thought, how about raising fund for Abhaya Foundation on the eve of my birthday? I happened to see many such fundraising campaigns by many of the friends and pals in social mediums. I thought, okay, let me appeal in the first instance, let's see the result later. So thinking, I just raised a fundraising campaign appealing all my friends, family members, saying that on the eve of my 51st birthday, I would like to raise 51,000 for Abhaya Foundation. I am starting with my 5,100 donation. I felt 6 days will be the campaigning period. You know what? The moment I posted this to my friends and pals and well-wishers, I think in 5 minutes I received a message saying that 51,000 rupees credited to Abhaya account. I was little surprised. I did not even put my 5,100 yet. Then this message made me, puzzled. Who is this 51,000? And it is from Adinarayana. I felt, who is the Adinarayana? Then I remembered my sir, my boss, my friend, philosopher, guide, C.S. Madinidi Adinarayana. I was doubtful. So I called Adinarayana Garu. Sir, namaste sir. Sir, did you transfer fund to Abhaya? Yeah, yes. You just appealed, na? It is for our birthday. That's what he said. I became speechless. I always believe one dictum in my life: if intentions are pure, gods will start working. So happened this time also. Expressing so much of gratitude to this gentleman, I was feeling so thankful to this Adinarayana Garu for his blessings and wishes by donating 51,000 to Abhaya Foundation. My dear friends, it did not stop there. I received a message from Ganesh Kora, the Divyanga, whose education is being supported by Abhaya and Gaura Srinivas Foundation for his NEET engineering seat at Surat. We provided him electrical wheelchair and also financial support. He had sent me a message, sir, I am a small fellow, I would like to transfer 96 rupees. I have no words to express my love and care for this boy. I saluted him. And then the president, Rangarao Garu, instantly seeing me and my message at Euroflex CSR meeting, he transferred 51,000. And then my mentor, our beloved trustee CSPS Rao, granted 25,000. Bala, I am so happy. I would like to transfer 25,100 is the message from beloved friend C.S. Sujat Binali, the former trustee of Abhaya Foundation. This is yet another wonderful gesture I received. And Dharani, who is on bed rest from Badami, transferred a small donation. Jaya Reddy, the volunteer, transferred her donation. And Parthu Murdula, once the beneficiaries, now the donors of Abhaya, took the opportunity to serve Abhaya again on this eve. Sajan is a press reporter from Kerala who received the camera set for his work during the Kerala floods stood by this campaign by sending his small donation. Kerala, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Telangana, Andhra, Maharashtra, everywhere there are people who stood by this campaign, making this as a wonderful amount for Abhaya. I received a message from Vinod Sirivella, Somandepalli, who was a healthcare beneficiary of Abhaya. He established Abhaya Flex printing stores, and he has transferred 2,000 rupees. I felt immensely happy to receive such donation from this gentleman called Vinod. It is not limited to the beneficiaries alone. Known and unknown, they all joined hands and hearts. While I was in Prashantinalayam, I received a message from the manager admin of Abhaya Home of Happiness, Venkat Reddy, to whom we are indebted for the last 2 years. He is trying to serve the cause in his own way. The salary what we are paying is not really matching the work what he is doing for the organization. He had sent me a message saying that, sir, on your birthday, while praying to Lord Venkateshwara, I am transferring 5,100 rupees to Abhaya account. I don't have any words to say. You know what? The last 4 months, Sairam, the one who is capturing a couple of impressions and expressions about my experiences with Satya Sai Baba, he transferred 1,000 rupees saying that, sir, on your birthday, I am giving you 1,000 rupees to Abhaya Foundation. Can you imagine such gestures, kind-hearted people around me making me so special, so special? I know there are so many people, 1,000, 500, 900, 1,116. One well-wisher of mine, whose name is not supposed to be disclosed by me, having been given the promise to him, he said, when I appealed for Abhaya Nityana Seva scheme, he said, I am transferring for 2 lifetime subscriptions. One is on the eve of Narendra Modi's birthday, and second subscription is on the eve of your birthday for Abhaya Foundation. I don't have any words to say. I am indebted to people like them. They don't want to disclose their names also. My dear friends, I just bow before everyone who stood by Abhaya in their own way, by words, by thoughts, by deeds. And I really feel blessed to have people like you. So saying, I am thankful to you all. My dear friends, this flow of donation, flow of love, flow of wishes, not stopped there. Humpty number of people, more than 100 well-wishers, Abhaya soldiers, volunteers, staff, teaching, non-teaching staff. So many people responded for this appeal. I think in next 24 hours of my appeal, I could receive 250,000 rupees. You know what? My child from Akola, who is pursuing MS in gynecology, said, Uncle, I would like to host lunch for the inmates of Abhaya Home of Happiness. So I am transferring 1,116. Wonderful gesture. This child is Dr. Sailata, MBBS MS from Akola. And my another child, Lalita Lahari, BCom LLB, who had sent me a wonderful voice message. And then it was so beautiful composition of her own. So I said, wonderful, thank you, Amma, but I need a donation. Uncle, I don't have anything. I said, whatever you can, you do it. She has transferred 510. You know what? Aishwarya Sheshadri from, I think, Vikarabad, who is pursuing chartered accountancy with the support of Abhaya, transferred 51 rupees. And there are so many people, I just can't explain. At least 20 people transferred 5,100 rupees. Somebody said, sir, how do you make such innovative ideas to propagate the cause of Abhaya and donation? And I am surprised. If I say this, if I campaign for such things, nobody respond. But if you campaign, it will be innovative. I don't know what to say. And I am transferring 5,000 rupees. That is done from CA Arpita Mettu. The instances are so many. People like C.A. Narayana Rangaya, C.S. Devaki Vasudeva Rao, C.S. Satish Gupta, Padma Shri Awardee Ramesh Gelli, Kashyap Choksi, Anju, Chandrima, at least 100 people, 100 well-wishers, Abhaya soldiers across the country showered their blessings, wishes, along with the donation to Abhaya Foundation. I received a call from Sudha Satish from Bangalore saying that Tamudu, just wanted to bless you. Wonderful things. From my side, I would like to give you 1,000 rupees. And then my brother from Bangalore called me, very happy to part small donation of 5,100 to Abhaya Foundation. Wonderful. And then I received a call from my sister, video call. My own sister, Revati Mohan, Tadipatri. And my dear, where are you? I said, Puttaparthi. I went to Puttaparthi on 6th April to seek the blessings of my beloved Lord Bhagavan Sri Satya Sai Baba. He asked me whether I can join for lunch. Then I said, if you give donation, I can travel anywhere, no problem. She said, Arey boss, come have a lunch with me. I will give you a donation. I went there along with my sister. My sister's daughter from Delhi joined the donation campaign. Both of them provided 10,000 rupees. Facebook friend, Sridhar Challa, surprised when he greeted me. I asked, sir, kindly donate. Instantly, he had sent 10,000 rupees. And such instances made me to be humbled before so many people. My dear friends, today the pool is 3,50,000 rupees to Abhaya Foundation on the eve of my 51st birthday. There was one friend called Chandrasekhar, who is a businessman from Mahabubnagar district. He said, Balachandra Garu, I have seen the message. I remembered what you said during Corona. When I transferred 60,000, you said make it 1 lakh. I remember that 40,000 is due. As per my word to you, I am transferring this 40,000 for your birthday to Abhaya Foundation. The team Humanity consists of small-time business people, youngsters from Hyderabad city. They pulled 10,000 rupees from their pocket monies. They have provided as a donation to Abhaya Foundation on this eve of 51st birthday. My dear friends, my dear well-wishers, I have no words to express my gratitude to all of you. It is just not donation. Doing it for nation. Doing it for nation. Doing it for nation is donation, I always say. And people from Tamil Nadu, NDSO, J. Prabhakar Garu sent me a beautiful, handmade drawing, frames on my birthday. I really felt so happy to receive that courier on my birthday. And I take this opportunity to thank each and every single Abhaya soul dears who made this campaign a grand success. I pray for their well-being. It is not that whoever is donated, they are mine. No. Whoever wished, whoever stood by cause, whoever donated, whoever thought of this wonderful gesture, I am indebted to them. Hundreds and hundreds of people at social media, WhatsApp, Twitter, Instagram, so many people join hands, hearts and heads in wishing me all the best. But I tell you, అంటే పుట్టడంలో పుట్టు పండుగ చేసుకోవడంలో ఏమీ సెలబ్రేషన్ లేదు. బట్ ఇలాంటి అద్భుతమైన వ్యక్తుల యొక్క సహచర్యంలో నా జీవితాన్ని ముందుకు నడిపించడంలోనే నిజమైన సెలబ్రేషన్ అనుకుంటాను. లైఫ్ ఇస్ ఎ సెలబ్రేషన్ ఓన్లీ వెన్ వీ బీయింగ్ కేర్డ్ అండ్ లవ్డ్ అనిపిస్తుంది. అది సెలబ్రేషను. ఆ సెలబ్రేషన్ నిజంగా నేను చేసుకున్నాను అనిపిస్తుంది. 6వ తేదీ ఏప్రిల్ 2021 విత్ ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ ఐ కుడ్ పూల్ 3,50,000 టు అభయ హోమ్ ఆఫ్ హ్యాపీనెస్, ద డెస్టిట్యూట్ హోమ్ రన్ బై అభయ ఫౌండేషన్. అండ్ సో సేయింగ్ థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ to all of you. Samasta loka sukhino bhavantu, samasta loka sukhino bhavantu, samasta loka sukhino bhavantu. Jai bolo Bharat Mata ki jai.